Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, your daily space for calm, clarity, and quiet strength. Today's message is simple but powerful. You are enough. Not because of what you've achieved, not because of how much you've done, and not because someone else says so. You are enough because you are here, breathing, trying, showing up. You've survived things you barely talk about. You've carried weights others never see, and still you rise. Breathing Plus, beginning intentions. Take a deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale softly. Let these words guide you back to yourself. Affirmations, self-worth, and inner peace. I am enough. I am worthy of love, even when I feel unlovable. I release the belief that I have to earn my value. My worth is not tied to what I produce. I allow myself to rest without guilt. I am lovable in my silence. I am whole, even when I'm healing. I am not broken. I am becoming. I deserve peace, even in the midst of uncertainty. I am not behind. I'm right on time. I am proud of how far I've come, even if no one else sees it. I choose to speak to myself with kindness. I give myself permission to feel, to rest, to simply be. I am not my mistakes. I am not who others failed to see. I am who I choose to be, and that is enough. Closing, soft grounding. Let that truth settle. Let it replace the noise of not good enough. Let it soften the constant need to prove, fix, or earn. You don't need to be more. You don't need to do more. You already are more than enough. Say it one last time with me. I am enough. Thank you for grounding your energy with Inner Sky Radio. Return to this whenever the world makes you forget. You are loved. You are worthy. You are enough.